4:30 on Saturday, 21st of March 2020, fourth day of partial lockdown, and it's about time for me to have my watermelon juice. So I'm going to juice my watermelon today with a little bit of pineapple, as well as the rind of a third of a lemon. I've used the juice earlier for my sambal belacan. For my juice this morning, I think. Anyway, I'm also going to juice the watermelon skin from making my nasi goreng earlier, as well as pineapple skin. Okay, this is the first time I'll be juicing pineapple skin. So I used pineapple earlier for my salad and nasi goreng. So instead of throwing it away, I saved it up for juicing for my 4:30 watermelon juice. In fact, it's usually the hottest time of the day today at 4:30, but today it rained, so it's quite cool, but I'm gonna juice my watermelon juice anyway. I bought this melon at Pasar Mini Yukas, not at my usual place, which is Sergi Fresh. See how bloody pale the watermelon is, and the bugger got the cheek to charge me $3.50 a kilo. So I'm going to stop buying watermelon from him, and pineapples as well. The pineapple just now, he charged me $4.50 for one, whereas in Sergi Fresh it's only 99 cents when they're having a sale, or $1.29 for a Morris, or $1.99 for a Josephine pineapple. And if they have a sale for the Josephine, it's 99 cents as well. So yeah, see how pale it is? I'm so fucking disappointed, I tell you. Here I am with my motive one, and I have my pineapple skin, pineapple, and also what do you call it? 1/3 of a lemon rind and lime. I've got one lime cut out without the seeds here, as well as the pineapple skin, and I've got the watermelon here. Okay, as you see, I'm going to juice the watermelon together with the skin and rind. Alright, this is the skin here, I'll show you. And this is the pineapple skin, so it goes in as well. I've pre-washed pineapple, soaked it in pH 11.5 Kangen water. Okay, this what we call it, watermelon skin. Lemon rind going in. I've got about 200 ml of these so far. This is more of the lime going in. Whole lime together with the skin. I just cut them up so that I don't have the bits with the seed. This is watermelon skin. Yes. More watermelon skin. Pineapple, watermelon skin. Pineapple, watermelon skin. Okay. Pineapple skin. Pineapple. Last bits of the pineapple. Okay, I have to release this. The juice is very pale, as you can see, because the watermelon is of shit quality. Okay, more watermelon. Oops, cut this a little bit too big. Okay, time for more one in. And another. Okay, this one I've cut into smaller pieces, but let this one go back completely first. Okay, here goes another piece. Okay, I'm gonna snap this and put it down here. Okay. Okay, that should be just over 800 ml. So I'm gonna keep this in the freezer for now. I may make a little more later to have with dinner, or I'll have to bring the watermelon down into the fridge overnight. We'll see. Okay, this is the watermelon juice. I possibly got up to 1 liter here. I'm about to have a sip. It's gone a lot darker because I juiced it together with the skin and the pineapple skin. So we'll see how it tastes like in a minute, and I'll let you know. Wow, that was delicious. I've drunk 2 glasses, 800 ml, and I have about 300 here. So altogether I made about 1.1 liters. It's really nice actually. The pineapple is not so tart or sharp. I think the watermelons diluted it. There is a little bit of the lime in the background, but it's not overpowering because I only used 1 lime. So I think it's quite nice. In fact, I think the next time I do it, I'm gonna put a little bit more pineapple. I think this is a really nice drink. Watermelon with skin and rind, pineapple with skin, as well as some lime with skin. So this is a very skinny juice, pun intended.